My Hydropool Serenity is not heating properly and has a flow error message. Can I fix this situation myself?
How old is the appliance? Have you gotten error messages before?
It is 11 months old. Installed last November. No error messages before.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Hopefully. Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Not that I can think of. Just need to know why the message is there, and how to fix it. Okay. That was a lot more than $5. But I'd still like an answer ASAP. We've got guests arriving shortly. Posted by JustAnswer a customer's request. Hello. I would like to request the following expert services from you. Live phone call. Let me know if you need more information, or send me the service offers so we can proceed. The error message is no flow condition.
The most common reason for this code is a dirty filter. There can be particles on the filter that cannot be seen by the naked eye but can block water flow through it, causing the FLO code. Turn off breaker and remove filter, then reset breaker. If code is gone, then clean or replace the filter. From there you have to see if it is an air pocket in one of the pumps. This pocket of air cannot release itself. You need to turn off power, go to the pump itself and loosen the union on the front of the pump to release some water for about 10 to 20 seconds, then retighten the union and turn power back on.
Removed filter and turned it back on and the message is still there. What does union on the front of the pump look like?
The pump union looks like this. https://www.spaydepot.com/pumpunion2p702c716.asks. ZMM equals 556730001 and ZMAS equals 1 and ZMAC equals 1 and ZMAP equals b.x. 9908 and GCLID equals CJ0 kst Berklarissic pat HF0UO is 1 VWFLH MNQZ0 unter 3 ZH 0 NVA 6 BQB7 to X6 KR Keel _WCB. Is the pump running and pushing water? If so, then you need to look into the flow switch as the issue. It is located near or on the heater housing. I believe in the hydropool tub it is called a pressure switch and it is screwed into the heater.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.